Hello children, in this video we are going to create and use templates in our document. Now, what is template? A template is a model that you use to create other documents. For example, you can create a template for business reports that has your company's logo on the first page. New documents created from this template will all have your company's logo on the first page, right? So you can take example of the certificates that you get in your school, right? They all have the same format. Okay, so instead of making this format again and again, what we will do, we will make the template of the certificate and then we can use it again and again. Fine. So this is what is template. Now the next question is, what does the template contain? Template kya kya contain karta hai, right? A template can contain anything that regular documents can contain, such as text, graphics, a set of styles and user specific setup information. Template ke andar hum text, graphics and whatever the style that we want to insert, we can insert that style in the template. Okay, we can create a specific template for any document type like text, spreadsheet, drawing, presentation. तो हम किसी के लिए भी टेम्पलेट बना सकते हैं, टेक्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट के लिए, स्प्रेडशीट के लिए, प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए, राइट? If we do not specify a template when we start a new document, then the document is based on the default template for that type of document, right? So when we don't specify the our template, what will happen? What we get the default template of that particular document, right? Now, what are the different ways to create the template? There are two ways to create template: creating a template from a document and creating a template using a wizard. So we are going to we are going to execute both the ways. Let us do it practically. See, I have created one template type here, okay, by using the drawing objects, okay, and by formatting the document like this. This is the certificate of completion. This is to certify that name of the student has successfully completed course of study, right? So I have created one document of mine here. मैंने यहाँ पे एक document बना लिया है. So I am going to make this as template, right? Because what I just want to write the name of the student. Okay, I don't want to make it again and again. Let us suppose this is the certificate. Let us suppose this is the certificate and I just want to write the name of the student, right? So now how you will make it template? Okay, click on the file tab here and then click on the templates, right? Click on the templates option. Fine, and then click on save. Fine. Now you will get a dialog box, or you can say you will get a window of templates. Fine. In template window, give name to your template. Like I am giving it uh, my template. Okay, I am giving it name my template. My template, right? And it comes in the category of my template. So I'm changing its name. So I'm writing certificate template, right? Okay, so you can see in the templates we have two options here, categories and templates, right? So my templates category is already selected. Okay, so I'm going to save this in my templates, right? Fine, and then you just have to click on OK, right? So your template is saved now. Fine. So if you will go, now I'm going to click on the new document, file, new, and then file, new, and then click on text document, right? So this is your default backend template, and if you want to see your own template, what you will do, you will click on file, new, and then click on templates and documents, fine, and then from here choose the template that you want. See, your template has come, right? In this way you can get your template, right? Okay, so this is the first method, creating a template from a document. Now if you want to make your template default template, right? If you want to make your template default template, how you can make your template as a default template? Default template means whenever you will open the OpenOffice writer, you will get this template on the front page, right? So how you will make it the default template? See, if I'll click on new and then text document, you will see, you will get a vacant window. But if you are, see here, okay, so if you want to make it default template, what you will do, click on the file tab, okay, fine, and then click on the new, okay, and then in the, okay, sorry, click on the file tab and then click on the templates, fine, and then click on the organize option, fine, template management window appears, fine, my template, click on my templates, already selected, this is my templates window, my templates, okay, okay, so I'm clicking on the certificate template twice here, certificate template, fine, and then click on commands option here and then click on set as default template, fine, now click on close. Now if you will open the new text document, you will get the template on the front page. Again, if you will open the new document, you will get the template, fine, because now it has become your default template, fine. Now if you don't want it as a default template, okay, and you want to get your blank document, again what you will do, click on the file tab, right, and then again click on the templates, click on the organize, okay, then template management window come, click on my template, double click, click on the certificate, right, then again you have to go to the commands and then click on reset default template text document and then close. So now if you will open the text document, you will get the default backend document, right? See, so this was the first method to create a template from a document. Now we have second method, create a template using a wizard, fine. So here we are going to create a template using a wizard. Click on the file tab and then click on the wizards here. So different options are given like letter, fax, agenda, presentation, web pages, document converter. So here I'm going to create the letter template. So I'm clicking on the letter, fine. See, you will get the letter wizard window. So first option is please choose the type of the letter and page design. So your letter is business type. If you want, then you will click on the business letter, fine. If your letter is formal personal letter, click on the formal personal letter, and if your letter is personal, if your letter is personal letter, click on the personal letter, right? Okay, fine. See, so I have clicked on the formal personal letter here. For the design, you can choose elegant, modern, office. So I have clicked on elegant. Okay, click on the next option. Okay, then select the items to be printed, return address in the envelope window, subject line, salutation, fold marks, all are already selected. Okay, so I want all these on my letter. Then click on next. Then we have specified the sender and recipient information. Okay, it should have the sender and the recipient information. So sender's address have two options: use user data for return address or new sender address. So you can choose either of them. Okay, so I'll go with the default setting. Fine. Recipient address, use placeholder for recipient address. Yes, I want a placeholder for the recipient. Then click on next. Fine. Okay, include the page number. Fill in the information you would like in the footer. अगर आपको footer में कोई information देनी है तो आप footer में information दे सकते हो, but यहाँ पे मैंने page number पे click कर दिया है. Fine. Okay. So this is my letter template and I'm going to click on the finish. Yes. So here, from here you can see my template. See, you can see the box for the box where I can write the name of the person, company, street address, name of the person, company, and this address, right? The I have got the default box here. Here I will write the subject. Salutation is already given, dear sir or madam. Okay, here I'll enter the text, and then I have the best regards. So I have got a complete format. I just have to insert the data in this. Fine. Fine. So this is my, I have got a template by using the wizard letter template, right? So these were the two ways in which we can create the template.